Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Donnie, and today's video will be using a Euclidean algorithm to solve for the greatest common divisor between the numbers 803 and 121. So what is Euclidean algorithm? It's a process of repeated division used to find the largest number that divides two integers perfectly. So we'll go right through to solve it, because it's the easiest way to explain it. So now, the main thing is, out of the two numbers, which one's bigger, you put on the left-hand side, and you put the smaller number over here. Do not worry about the 6, the 7, and 7 for now. Basically, with these two numbers, you're going to divide them. And from dividing them, you get a remainder. The remainder is 77. And this is just a scalar because we're just writing out fully. We're just expanding it. So 121 times 6 would be 726. And you add it with the 77, it should equal to 803. So basically over here, what we're doing is we're trying to find this remainder, okay? So basically, this is the 6, this is how much times 121 fits into 803, and that's the remainder over here, the 77. So now we're going to keep repeating it. So we take this 121 over here, we put it down over here, and you take the 77, you put it over here. Now, 77 goes one time inside of 121, and be left off with a remainder of 44. So now you do it again. So you bring down the 77 and the 44, and now you got a remainder of 33. You continue, as you can see, you continue this process. As soon as you hit a 0 remainder, that means you stop the process, and 11 is going to be the greatest common divisor between these two numbers. So that's one way of doing it. Now we're going to go through a C++ way, a coding way to do it, okay? So this is the next portion of the video. So we're going to be illustrating the Euclidean algorithm in C++ basically. So now, we have our numbers. We have number 1, which is 803, and number 2, 121. This is our function. We're calling our function, so our function's going to go over here. So this is basically our Euclidean algorithm representation in C++. So now we have our iterations. We're going to have 5 iterations, and initially we have our 2 numbers. So now, it's going to go inside the algorithm. It's just going to hit a while loop. The while loop will be, as soon as b is equal to 0, it's going to break, and it's going to return a. But for now, it's going to be in the loop until it reaches, when b becomes 0, okay? So now, temp will be assigned with b. So basically 121. Then you basically do the remainder of these two, and you store it inside of b. So the remainder will be 77. And now, you basically take the 77, or sorry, you take the 121, you put into a. So you get 121. So now you got to repeat this process again. So you have the 77 in temp, and you continue. So now you're going to have 44 as the remainder. And from temp, you're going to put 77 over here. So you're going to continue this process again. Okay, then we're just tracing the algorithm and until you get a 0. So now when you get a 0, you know that that's your answer, this 11. So basically, the greatest common divisor between these two numbers is 11. And this is the C++ interpretation. Okay, so that's it for this video. So please leave a like and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful, great day.